Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Wednesday visited various developmental sites in Madgaon. He visited complex for multi-purpose college for students in Borda, Madgaon. He visited the district hospital of Madgaon. He informed that the first, second and third floor will be extensively allocated for the hospital. CM also visited the SGPDA market and assured the fisher folks to solve their issues.
पहिले 1+3 ground +3 will be used for hospital purpose. 4th and 5th floor will be used with a separate outside entrance for purpose of training. Nursing नहीं. Actually lab how time सांगिना फक्त इतल्याकूच की मागीर ताजेरूय कॉमेंट करतात. अर्थान थंय मेळ्ळें ती थोडी आवेर्तनाक मेळ्ळेली. तांच्यांनी म्हाका विजयानूय फोन केल्लो आनी पेपराचेरूय वाचता न्ही. So आयज दनपारां हो मेळ्ळो म्हाका चेअरमॅन. So I just wanted to see exactly what they want to do. ते आतां कॉलेज विलेज हे करता ते. कॉलेज चौगुलेचो काय संबंध ना. आमी गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेज आहा. चौगुले कॉलेज चौगुलेचो विशय 11-12 न्यू बिल्डिंग न्यू स्ट्रक्चर बाय पॉसिबली बाय जून.
स्टेडियमाचे
काय ना रिव्यू करपाक जातलो ते 10 डिसेंबर पर्यंत more or less it should be over.
It's tourist season in the state, but the experiences of tourists on Kolle-Dudhsagar route are definitely not pleasant. The lack of infrastructure and basic facilities is a dark spot on this popular tourist location. Tourists complain of standing in queues for long hours. Unavailability of lavatories is adding to the woes. Taxi drivers complain that tourists prefer to visit other spots than Dudhsagar waterfall. Vivek Prabhu reports.
Keep aside the long queue and unavailability of lavatories for tourists at Kure. There is more confusion between the taxi drivers and the tour operators. This is all happening along the popular route of Kolle-Dudhsagar waterfall. The taxi drivers claim the tour operators ill-treat them.
आमी जे रस्त्यार आमकां आडयता पळय तेंच्यान डायरेक्ट भितर आमकां सोडचे. आमी गेस्टांक हांगा सोडून टिकेट काडून तेंकां आमी जिपीन बसयता आनी परतून जाय जाल्यार गाडी पार्किंग व्हरून लायता.
वॉटरफॉलाच्या स्पॉटार या पुण्या थंय आतां इतली वर्सां आमी गेस्टां हाडटा पूण हे जे कोण कमिटीचे मेंबर आहा ते आमकांय रिस्पॉन्स दिना आनी गेस्टांकूय हें करता सारके बॅड वर्सान एब्यूज दिता तेंकां. दुसरी गजाल आतां पुलीस सतोंक लागल्या. जंय थंय खंय पार्किंग कर थंयसर आमकां येता नंबर काडटा तालांव धाडटा. दुसरें म्हणल्यार पंचायतीन म्हणून आतां तेंच्यांनी खंय हें केलां पार्किंग केलां 1 किलोमिटर आनी खंयच्यान गेस्टांक चलना.
The taxi driver says Kure Panchayat charges exorbitant rates for vehicle parkings, but the deputy sarpanch claim it is for disciplined parking.
म्हणून ते एक टुरिस्ट टॅक्सी स्टँड प्लेस आमी थंय हें केला अपॉइंट केलेलो आसा. आनी जी गाडयो मार्केट प्लेसान लागता आनी जी एरिया रस्ते ब्लॉक जाता पळय न्हू म्हणजे तेंच्यो गाडयो खंय लागता मेळटा थंय खंय गलीन घुसयता रस्त्यार घुसयता ग्रावंडार घालता. तेच जागो तोच टॅक्सी तेंच्यांनी ते थंय व्हरून घातले जाल्यार तो एक पार्किंग समस्या सॉल्व जातली.
Meanwhile, the tour operators have asked the government for better infrastructure and allotment of more jeeps to avoid long queues.
There is nobody who is saying where to go. We are asked to wait and I don't know for how many hours. And the people who are actually dealing with it, they don't have any manners. Like there are you can see it's mostly foreign crowds who have been over there. And I don't blame the people because they are probably not being able to manage.
जर फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान गोयच्या सरकारान गोयच्या टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंटान भोव करून गोयच्या फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टरांक जर ही गेट 8:30 उगडटा त्याचे बदलाक जर ही गेट जर सकाळी 7 उगडली जशे बाकीच्या स्टेटींनी शिफ्टी चलता तशे फॉरेस्टान जर हांगसर शिफ्ट जाल्यार एम्प्लॉयमेंट वाडटलो. 4-5 भुरगे कामाक लागताले एको टुरिझमाक आनी 7 आसले कारणान लोक जे हांगसरल्यान परतून वचपाचे कदाचित जे केन्ना पाळी येता सदांच न्ही केन्ना जी पाळी येता ती बंद जातली.
Tourist inflow to Dudhsagar has increased tremendously this year, but the lack of facility and long queue is making Dudhsagar unpopular. Tourists are now shifting their tours to other spots. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
People in Narve are distressed with the poor infrastructure in the area. There is no proper road, no medical service, neither private nor state-run. There isn't a single doctor in Narve. They are upset with their local MLA Anant Sheth. People said despite of several complaints, Narve area has been totally neglected. Uday Parab's report.
No proper road, no doctors, no infrastructure. This is the state of affairs in Narve Bicholi. Have a look at this narrow road. Only a motorbike can pass through this road. There is no access for any ambulance to rush through during emergencies.
डॉक्टरागेर पळय व्हरपाचें म्हटल्यार कोण ना जाल्यार आमी धांवता घेवन मागीर बसीक हांगावरसून पळय कितको किलोमिटर आहा तें तुमकां खबर आसा चलत वयचें पडटा आमकां न्हू आनी त्रास खूबच जाता आनी मेन म्हणजे हांगासर भितून नार्वेन डॉक्टरांची फॅसिलिटी कांयच ना बिचोले जावचें पडटा आमकां.
Marma and Dev are the two wards facing worst. Almost 650 people stay in these two wards. People say MLA has neglected the area.
रस्तो पळयत जाल्यार पडपाची परिस्थिती पूण आमकां ना उपाय ह्या रस्त्यान येवचें पडटा. कोण जर बरो ना जालो बीन जाल्यार मागीर बरो नाल्यार माथ्यार मारून व्हरपाचें. 108 येवंक पॉसिबलूच ना हांगासर. आमदारान प्रत्यक्ष येवन पळयल्या पूण हेजेर कांयच तेणी अजून पर्यंत एक्शन घेवंक ना.
Sarpanch of Narve, Pratiksha Mishal says government should initiate development and set up proper infrastructure.
हो जो रोड आसा तो मर्मवाडो आनी देववाड्याक लागता. ह्या लोकांची परिस्थिती पळोवन म्हाका दिसता की माझ्या सरकारान सुद्धा म्हाका मदत हेल्प करून हो रस्तो करून दिवचो.
Reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
And now look at the other events in the state.
Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights was launched on Wednesday. This website will disseminate information of child rights and activities of the Commission aimed at protection of child rights.
Goa is one of the few states to have a website with interactive features for online registration. In fact, our commission is the first to have this online registration of complaints and grievances mechanism. The children would be able to express their views on various child issues and take part in discussions.
Dance India Dance runner-up and our own Goan, Cecil Rodriguez, made her first appearance in Goa after her great success at DID Supermom Finals. She danced to the beats of salsa with her group at the Winter Fiesta in Agasai. Power Grid Corporation's national level drawing competition was held in Goa on Tuesday at Mapsa. District Collector Mihir Vardhan, while addressing as a speaker, said the activity is aimed at bringing out hidden talents and skills of children through paintings.
We need to conserve our energy because we will not be a strong country if we don't have a strong power reservoir with us. We don't have enough power, and even that enough power that we don't have enough power, and the shortage of power also, it is not used resourcefully. It is not used judicially, and there's a lot of loss and leakages, and so many things are happening which should not happen.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.